Hello everybody. This is our application called Live for Less. It aims at helping the students. So how does it do is it helps students to find apartments at affordable costs. The application can give details about the apartments, the surrounding details, and the available amenities. How is this app interesting is it's very handy to use. It has a very simple user interface, so a person of any age could use it. Nowadays people generally use applications, mobile applications, more than web applications, so it makes our life easier. Now when we click our when we start the application, it's called Live for Less. And when you start the application, this is the home screen that you could see. And when you click, suppose you're an owner and you want to advertise your apartment, so you would click on owner. And after clicking on owner, you would get the following screen. So through, it's called the login page. On the login page, if you're an existing user, you could add your username, password, and just say login. If you're a new user, you would say register activity, and you would enter the following details. And so I'm entering Andrew as my username and Andrew as my password. So this will guide you to show Andrew for your username and password. You would have to add your details like email address and phone number to register. We we're using parse.com to store all the data, so it can be pulled online, the data. When I click on register, you can see a successful message, signed up. And I would see if the data is being added here. So for the user, I would refresh my table, and I can see Andrew has been added here, and these are the following details that were added. So okay, now I know my user has been added. Now I can go back and log in. So Andrew, and when I click on login, so it says successfully logged in. Now since you are a owner, now suppose I want to advertise my apartment, so I'm going to add the following details. Okay, so oops, that seems to be the address. So now I'll add the name, and we can advertise our apartment. And suppose Andrew is just a user, but Andrew wants to add information, so from on the basis of the names you could add. So you'll have to add the address as well. Make sure you add in the correct address, because that is used for the GPS also. That's another functionality in the application. So this is a valid address. You can add personal details like name, phone number, city, state, email, and add the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and you can choose the wooden floor, or if the apartment is carpeted, price. And you could add description. You could give some details regarding the neighborhood and more amenities available at the apartment. And now when you click on the photo option, you could click a picture also of the apartment or the surroundings, so that would give you a good idea about the ad that you're posting. and I will have to click on publish. So I can see successfully published, and if I would check pub, publish to see if my data has been uploaded, I can see Andrew, I can see all the details that I've added, and I can see the image. So this was the following image that was added. So now there's another option for the users if I want to see all the ads that have been published. So I could see the latest ad that was published here by Andrew. Okay, so as you can see, we've sorted according to the zip code as well as the prices on the zip codes. So that gives you a good idea how to use the application better. It makes your life easier. When I find the ad posted by Andrew, this is the following image that has been clicked. It generates a list view, and whenever I click one of the items, I can see the address, the owner, and the following details along with the picture that was being clicked. Now you can see in bold the address there. So when I click that, it will open the GPS functionality for me through the maps, and it will show the location of the apartment. So you can see the coordinates there, and if you click on the option, it will enable the GPS for you. And the owner has another functionality. He can delete his ad. So we would delete Andrew's ad. Say login, and successfully logged in. I would like to delete that following ad. So when I click on delete button, it's a long press. So when I just long press the item, it should delete. Okay, it will give you a message. It will go back, and now you can see it's deleted. So that was our application. It gives a lot of details. It targets the student community. So it's a brilliant app, and it helps the students to find an apartment at affordable costs. Thank you.